This is another planter that I'm working on, and I need to get more dirt. And Bruce said he would get me some dirt. And then I'll show you the steps as we go along. Now, if you want to make your own, and it's not expensive to do it, unless you have to go buy all your pots, you need a really big pot on the bottom because you don't want it to tip over. Then you drill a hole through the center of your other pots, and you need a 4-foot piece of rebarb, and you put it in the pot in a hole in the bottom. Now, when we were drilling this one, it cracked, but the hole at the top was fine, and so we just put it in like that. There was another one. You were supposed to use little rocks, gardening rocks. I don't have any. I don't want to buy any, but I do have rocks. So that's what I'm using to weigh my pot down. This top part, you could tilt it this way so it matches the pink one on the bottom, or you can put it this way so you get to view it. I want to view it. Now I'm thinking of digging up one of these purple sweet potato vines. They're just ornamental, and maybe just putting that on the top level, just one of them, because they're getting quite large, and I think it would be pretty up there.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.